can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review, and today's sponsor is Nadula hair. So we're gonna see what we're working with today. Yes, we're gonna see, and the hair is in the package. Let's open it. I don't know why my camera is getting so dark, but we have a totally different setup. Okay, so we are working with a headband wig today, and I'm so excited because this is going to be, and I repeat, this is going to be the simplest hairstyle you could ever wear. Okay, now let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys everything that came in the box. We have wig caps, of course. They gave us two different HD caps. We have a edge band, edge brush, more wig caps, okay? And for the wig, we have all these headbands. So we have a black one, we have a white, we do have a gray, we have a brown, and of course a purple. Now let's get into this wig to see how it's looking. It is 24 inches, so we are gonna see how long it is, and I think it's water wave for the texture. Yes, the texture is water wave. Hair is secure, and this is how it looks. I guess this is a extra band. Now let's get into this. I think this is an upgraded headband wig. This is the first time I'm seeing one with this, and obviously it's breathable. I love the fullness of the wig, but we're gonna go inside. We do have two combs to secure the wig on your head. We have a comb at the back. You guys already know I love combs at the back of the wig, and they have some straps at the back as well. This is how it looks, one on that side and one on that side. Love that. And the main feature is the drawstring on the wig. This is how it looks. All you gotta do is put the wig on your head. You're gonna pull this string to get it tightened, and then you're gonna pull this down for it to be secure. Now the wig is all together to fit your specific head size. If you want to take it off, or if it's too tight, all you have to do is take up that part, and then you go in with releasing the string. Love this feature on all my wigs because it just gives it extra security. The wig feels brand new every single day, whether I want to pull it tight, I want to loosen it. I love the drawstring feature. Now look at the hair. The hair is super full, and I don't think this wig needs anything. I think I'm just gonna wear this as is. I'm gonna rub my hands through the wig, and we're gonna style it. So this is how it looks. This is how the ends look. We are gonna go into styling the wig. First thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna secure my hair. It's already in a bun. I'm gonna definitely put one of these wig caps on, and we're just gonna get into this because this is so nice. I know these wig caps be feeling super tight. Hopefully this one is not. Really and truly, it doesn't matter if you put one on your head because it's a complete headband wig. But I don't have in any braids, and I want to secure my hair. So yes. Now let's see how this works. I'm gonna slide the wig on my head to see how it fits. Let's get into that. And it is very much stretchable. I'm not gonna lie, it's not even complete. It's not on my head, and I already like it. So Let's fix this wig properly. OMG, I love how secure this feels already. Most definitely a go-to wig. This is going to be my go-to wig. OMG, yes. Just ready to go. Ready to go. Look at that. You can pull it back if you want to. And remember, you don't have to wear the bands. Now, we're not definitely going to leave it like this because they added bands to it so we could see and finesse the wig. I want to make sure you guys are seeing the wig the best way possible. So this is how it looks. I'm telling you, I could wear this wig as is. I absolutely love it. Look at the texture of the hair. I'm definitely gonna rub my hand through this. I don't need to do anything to this wig because it is a headband wig. I want it to be so full. So all we're gonna do is just use our fingers, comb through the wig. Now this is gonna be one of the simplest wigs you have ever seen on this channel, okay? Don't be alarmed. You can literally buy this wig and slip it on. And I'm pretty sure they're gonna give you headbands to wear, but if you don't, you can go and just put anything around the wig. Now we are gonna get into the drawstring version of this. All I'm gonna do, put the wig up. We're gonna pin this up. So I show you guys how to do the drawstring around the back, which is pretty easy. I love how secure they make these updated headbands. Now this is the back, okay? And the drawstring, hopefully you guys are seeing. The drawstring is right here. You just pull. Put it down. It's very secure. You tuck it on. You're not seeing anything, and that is it. Now let's go into adding one of these. I love the material of these. They are super silky. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of water, or let's add a little bit of this. It will tame the curls so they lay down. Let's try this first. Okay, there we go. How simple was this install? That was super easy, super simple. I'm also gonna kind of tame the ends. So I'm gonna spray the ends a little bit, add a little bit of mousse to the ends and some water and kind of fix it so we have that decent. I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse just to the ends, only to the ends. Well, obviously I'm trying to add a little bit more to the entire wig. I just feel like I want to do everything, so we're gonna do that, okay? I love to fix the ends, so when it's dry, it feels so good. Yeah, that's what we're doing. And then I'm gonna do the other side. Mostly focus on the ends. And then I'm gonna spray with water. For the simplest hairstyle you have seen me ever done. This is it. Easy, easy, easy. Slip on, slip it off. Now let's go in and try two different colors just to give you guys an idea of how it will look, because yes, you can add anything around these headband wigs. They are super convenient. I like to put it on my neck first, and then just because I don't even have to take off the black one. If you're someone who goes to the gym, this will work out in your favor, because you can actually use these as OMG. I kind of like the brown. I am feeling the brown. What do you think? Take this one off and we are going to try another color. I am going to try the gray. And then we are going to add the white and we're going to see how they look. Now the black one is staple, okay? I just want to show you guys that you don't have to worry. You can get this wig and you can do it however you want. Very easy, very simple. You don't need nobody. You don't have to, even your grandma can put this wig on. You don't have to call nobody for this wig. Now I'm definitely gonna see how this looks on my teenager. She is gonna love this. Look at that color. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Like, because I tried the gray, I will not try the white because they almost look the same. Look at this, guys. All right, guys, I am back to the black band, and if you guys are interested in this wig, I assure you that you are going to love it. I am going on vacation and this is coming with me. You know why? Because I can use different stuff to tie around my head. You know, vacation in the summer is colorful, so this wig is definitely coming with me. And it's curly. It is curly, so I'm definitely walking with this one. It is a must. It's water wave, so it's very much so approved by the summertime, by the pool, by the river, by the beach. Yes, I'm bringing this. But guess what? I also have a coupon code where you guys can save on this wig. So make sure you guys check the description box. Their website will be there. The direct link to this wig will also be there. And I'll see you guys in the next one. But before we go, let's see how this would work if, say for instance, you are going to the gym. I personally, when I'm going to the gym, I like to have my bands over my hair like so. But just imagine you going to the gym and you put that in a ponytail. Come on now, come on now. And for persons who have a problem with lace, there's no lace and it's perfect. Just look how you can rock this wig, how perfect it is. I love it. And then you could change the bands as well. And if you are at your workplace and it is approved to wear something like this, then guess what? You could even use something else. You don't have to use these. They just give you extra ones where you could use them for yourself. But how cute is this? In a ponytail. I love the curl. Ah, it's giving. And then you could even use a clip. Come on now. Like, are you kidding me? You could finesse this wig however you want to. There we go, guys. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.